Hi, this is Daphne from Scrap and Create. Today I want to show you a little mini album that was made by my partner, Julie. This is beautiful paper by Graphic 45. It is the Midnight Masquerade. As you can see, she spent a lot of time on the detail on the cover, one of my favorite parts of the book. I'm going to flip through so you can see some of the creative talents of my partner, Julie. Here's the spine. Again, very beautiful. If you look closely, you can see these small embellishments that add a little sparkle. And here's the back. On the inside, you'll find beautifully matted designer paper along with some of these beautiful metal embellishments, filigree, which we also carry in our shop. Page 1 has a flip, nice for a photo, large photo here. Again, beautiful embellishments. Page 2, we have a combination of a flip and a photo mat. Again, a flip, lots of room for photos. I failed to mention that we have a pull-out on each page as well. So each of these are pocket pages that contain very large photo mats, large enough for 2 to 4 photos. Page 2. On our third page, another flip, room for photos, a pocket photo mat. Gorgeous, gorgeous detail here. Most images have been popped. We have these in our shop as well. And our photo mat pocket. Another photo mat. There's a ton of space for photos in this album. Very beautifully made by Julie again. All of the papers that you see featured here are available in our shop. Another photo mat. As you can see, there's a bit of a repeat pattern here, which keeps the album nice and simple in order to construct, but because there's so many choices with the paper, it doesn't really feel like a repeated pattern. Flip and another photo mat. Beautiful, beautiful. The paper in this collection is so stunning. It's almost a shame to put pictures in it, but lots and lots of space. This would definitely do some editing there. For a Mardi Gras themed party, or if you actually wind up going to Louisiana, I think this would be an excellent place to collect those photos and display them. Again, this is a mini album by Julie. Featuring Graphic 45,